Hello everyone, and in this video we will print the rightmost digit of an integer number. So this is going to be a quick video basically demonstrating how to get the rightmost digit of an integer number. As you can see, we included the stdio library, we have the main function, and basically all our programs inside of the main function. So to demonstrate this, we basically have a variable for the actual number, which is int num, and then we have one digit to show us or to basically print out the last digit of the integer number. And this is accomplished through the modulus computation. So basically what you want to do is you want to take the number, which is an integer, and then mod it by 10. That is the way to get the rightmost digit of an integer number. You take the number and mod it by 10, and that will basically give you the last digit. So running through some examples, if we put 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see, the answer that we get is 4. If we do another example, 1, 2, 4, we get 4 again. 5, 5, 1, 2, 4, we also get 4. 1, 2, 3, 9, we get 9. So yeah, as you can see, getting the rightmost digit of an integer number, you just mod the whole number by 10. And this only works with integer numbers. You cannot do it with the float. That doesn't work the same way. So keep that in mind. And yeah, that is the way to get the rightmost digit of an integer number. And I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.